Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to create the Picklist and Picklist multi-select data type fields in the Salesforce Lightning platform. The Picklist data type field contains much of the data available on the list. But users can select any one of the data from the list. The Picklist multi-select data type field contains many of the data items available on the list. This Picklist can allow users to select multiple data items from the list. Prerequisites: create a custom object named car. Let's begin. Click the gear icon and then click the Setup option. On the Setup page, click the Object Manager at the top of the page. Search for car in the Quick Find box. In our created custom object page, click the Fields and Relationship option from the left side pane. Now we are creating a new Picklist field from the data type by clicking the New button. On the next page, many data types are listed on the page. Select the Picklist Data Type Radio button and then click the Next button. On the Details page, enter all the required fields. Enter Type as the field name. Then, select the Enter the Values, with each value separated by a new line radio button. Now give the values to the Picklist. Here we are giving the following values: micro, hatchback, sedan, SUV, crossover, convertible. Check the display values alphabetically, not in the order entered, checkbox. Click Next. Again, click Next, and finally click on the Save and New button. Now we will create a multi-select Picklist. For that, select the Picklist multi-select radio button and then click the Next button. On the Details page, enter all the required fields. Enter fuel variant as the field name. Then, select the Enter the Values, with each value separated by a new line radio button. Now give the values to the multi-select Picklist. Here we are giving the following values: petrol, diesel, CNG, electric power. Check the display values alphabetically, not in the order entered, checkbox. Click on Next, again click on Next, and finally click on the Save and New button. We have successfully created both Picklist and Picklist multi-select data types fields in Salesforce. Now let's test our created data type field. Go to the home page and click on the Cars tab. Click on New to create a new record. Now enter the car's name. For type, select anyone from the Picklist. For each fuel variant, select as many as required from the multi-select Picklist. Click the Save button to save the data in our Salesforce org. Let's go to the Details page to see our newly created record. So, that's it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get the new update. Thanks for watching.